like Jlo Inspired. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So I'm actually going to start by applying BB cream, but you can use a foundation if you want to. And I'm just going to apply that with a foundation brush. Don't forget to put it down your neck. I'm then going to take some concealer, apply that under my eyes. And this is going to be lighter than your foundation. But I added a tiny bit of coconut oil to my brush before I applied it, so that's why I look extra glowy and dewy. So applying this under your eyes in a triangle. This is an everyday kind of look, so don't apply too much, just apply a little bit and like spread it out so you have a nice thin layer. I don't think I told you what brush I used for the concealer. I just used a flat one like this. Apply a little to the chin, the forehead, and I'm also going to apply it to any like pimples or anything that I have. I'm going to apply a thin line down the bridge of my nose. Brush like this to blend the concealer out. This is a synthetic brush, just like these two were as well. They're synthetic, which is good for creams. And I also applied a tiny bit of coconut oil onto the bristles. Bristles, is that what you call them? Just onto the brush. Now I'm just going to blend that concealer out. And I use a mixture of little like swiping motions and like dabbing motions. With the concealer on your pimples, you want to just apply some and then just blend the edges and leave most of the coverage on the actual pimple. Now I'm actually going to take an even brighter concealer. I'm going to apply that to like right where your where the most colour of my eye bags are. Now you're going to want to apply a cream bronzer. I'm going to apply it with using the brush that I would usually use to apply contour or bronzer or blush. Jlo's makeup look is always very like warm. So you're going to apply it to the forehead, just like that. Also apply it to your cheeks. I'm going to take my concealer brush again and some of that bronzer and draw a jawline on basically. Once you've applied that, then I'm just going to take some more bronzer and some more of the liquid bronzer and blend it out. I'm going to take some more bronzer and we're going to apply 2 stripes down our nose and connecting it to like the eyebrow area. And I'm actually going to take a brush like this and take more of that bronzer and blend those lines out. And I'm actually going to go back in with the concealer and apply that to the middle of my nose again. And blend that out with the concealer brush. Now I'm going to take a little brush like this and I'm going to apply some powder under my eyes to set the concealer. Have no creases though before you do this, so you just take your other brush and blend the creases out before you apply the powder. Or you can use your finger too if you want to. And I know we want this look to look dewy, but to make it last all day, you have to set your face. So I'm going to take a bigger version of this brush here and apply powder to my whole face, just a little bit to set it. You guys should still look a little bit dewy through it. I'm also going to take some powder down my neck. Now that we've set our whole base, we can now go in with a powder bronzer. I'm going to apply it to the same spot that we applied the cream bronzer. So I'm going to apply it. So cheekbones, forehead, jaw. And then I'm going to take this big powder brush and bronze the neck. My mum decided to vacuum, so if you can hear that noise, it's a vacuum, which is really annoying. But anyway, I'm now going to apply the bronzer down my nose. Now I'm going to take some more powder. I'm going to take my sponge and apply it to clean up the bronzer that we used. From here down to like your mouth. And then I'm going to apply it also to the sides of my nose and also down the middle. You can put your eyebrows on or whatever, but I don't really do my eyebrows, so I'm just going to maybe put a bit of gel or something with it. On my eye, I am going to apply a little bit of concealer, just with that concealer brush, just to prime the eyes for some eyeshadow. I'm going to take this brush and blend it out, just like we did with the under eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to also set it with a little bit of powder, translucent powder. Now I'm going to take a blending brush like this, a nice warm colour like this. You're going to apply this in the crease, like a windsweep, in the crease like this, so on the outer edge. So circle in the outer edge, and then windshield wipers in the crease. Make sure you connect it to like the nose contour there. I'm going to take a darker colour. There's no really warm dark colours. I think that's the warmest dark colour. And I'm going to mix it with this dark brown down here. Mix these two together. I'm going to apply that on the outer edge. Just circular motions. Take that warm colour again and blend in the crease. And also on the outer edge. I went kind of down too far. So I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer on this blending brush and just fix that up. I'm actually going to take a little bit of that concealer on this flat brush here and actually apply it back onto my lid, just because it kind of got overtaken by all this dark. You can use your finger to blend it. And then I'm just going to like blend the edge, just like blend it just to make sure it's all nicely sitting nicely. I'm going to take this brush here and wipe this away. Alrighty, so now to add the glow, I'm going to take this highlighting brush, apply some to the brush. What I'm going to do for this is put it on the top of your cheekbone and you're going to swipe it up to apply the first amount of product. And then I use like swirling motions to like blend it out. I'm gonna do some on the chin and it's a little bit on the forehead. Apply a little bit to the bridge of the nose. Then I'm going to be taking a spray, a dewy spray, and applying that. Just help the highlight. Oh, you also want to apply some of this highlight. I'm actually going to take a bigger brush for my body and use this brush to highlight my body. That spray and spray it on my body. And then go over with the brush and just blend it all just so you look so glowy. Now just add a little bit of coconut oil to my beauty, to my sponge, and I'm actually just going to go over where I highlighted and also on my body. Alrighty, now let's fix these eyes because I totally messed up on them. The colours are way too dark. I'm actually going to take my concealer again along the bottom of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to take my finger and blend it with the eyeshadows. Back in with the blending brush and just slightly go back in the crease. Then I'm actually just going to take a small brush like this and apply the darkest colour to the bottom. Okay, so I applied some mascara and don't worry about the mess. I'm going to clean that up later. And now I've decided I want to apply some individual lashes. I've never actually done this before. Alright, so I applied the eyelashes. And you know, for my first try I think I did it right. And then you're supposed to apply more mascara over the top, I think. But I'm going to let them dry for a second and do my lips and then I'll do the mascara over the top. Alright, so I'm going to apply this lip liner. Just a brown nude lip liner. Lined my lips. And then I'm going to apply this peachy nude colour to my lips. Now I'm going to apply some more mascara to my eyelashes. And this is my finished everyday Jlo inspired makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!